I think this is probably one of the most beneficial one-day events that I've been to.
The layout and the collaborative setting where we're all at tables, interacting with vendors and dealers, sharing insights, working through little projects and workshops has been a phenomenal setup.
We have a lot of hands-on stuff. We're getting involved. We're sharing ideas back and forth.
This event is really different because you're getting a hands-on approach and are able to collaborate and really work with a lot of the presenters to create solutions based on what they're presenting.
It's a unique event that really brings dealers together.
I think this event is great for any dealer who's looking to find a forum where they can be interactive and learn from some of the industry's brightest minds, and would encourage anybody to lean into all of the changes that are coming and join the crew here in Atlanta in a couple of weeks.